Welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I'm doing Urthbox.
You're not seeing double.
What's
You're seeing quadruple.
This is the box I ordered April 1st, I think, or April 2nd, and they said when I emailed them that it would be sometime after the 15th of May. They would be shipping out. So I wrote back recently, like, oh, what's my tracking number? Can you give that to me? And they did, and I saw a box was being shipped. Little did I know, today my little boy checked the mail, and there were 4 of these. So that was really weird. So I just sent them an email just saying, why 4? And it looks like, well, I'll show you, like, if they're all gonna be the same, because they all say May. And those ones I've already opened, but just to show y'all that they're all the same.
How are they open? Yeah.
So it looks like this. So there's a May Classic. I don't know if I left those. Yeah, because I did peek. Because I was just like, are they all the same? But like that. And then it comes with like not 1, but 3 of these little like wine voucher cards, which most boxes come with just 1 of those. I don't know why I need 3. They think I'm a wino. But as I said, it's all the same things. I'm kind of happy with some of the stuff, so I'll go with the happy stuff first.
Just hold the same thing
so
she's holding.
Saratoga chips. Those look yummy. And I told my sister I would give her one of these boxes. I'm going to give my husband one, and then I'm going to save 2 for me because I need my snacks. This is a Locher Lemon. It's like wafers. So there's that. And this is the one that I got, I actually used Groupon to get. I think it's $50 for 3 months, but I only paid like $20 for 3 months for their classic box. Can we do this one next? This is Performance Line High Protein Milk Replacement Bar. It's going to be the like caramel or caramel pecan one. I wish they at least had given different ones. They didn't. I don't know why. So if they're watching, maybe they can explain why I got 4 boxes. I don't mind, but I just told them I don't want to be billed for 4 because that is not what I asked for. And then these are like little, what were they? I can't remember.
Pomegranate.
They're pomegranate vanilla flavored cashews.
That's unique.
I know. That some of the stuff kind of like worries me. The one thing I saw and will not eat just because we all know how I feel about coconut, how she feels about coconut. There's a dark chocolate coconut cashew. My daughter said she would eat this, but then when I said it has coconut, she's like, oh, no. so she's not going to be eating that. So maybe somebody will, my nephew. Should I do this one? Yeah. This is something I thought was odd. I thought maybe it was for the stomach. It's called Rescue Plus Stress Complex. So I think somehow it helps with your stress. I don't know if it even describes what it's for.
Just an extra dosage.
It just tells you how to. It tells you like how to take it. I don't know if you have to open it and see like there's instructions on what it's. I have no idea.
It like has B12, it has magnesium, zinc.
It looks like that when you open it. So
sodium.
Hope I'm not holding that too high. But it's just weird to get 4 boxes of it. Last but not least, this I'm excited about. It looks like it says. Makes me think run, but now that I look at it, it looks like R and then the sideways S. Performance gum, the Smarter Caffeine Kick. It's gum with caffeine in it. So I could use that, even though we're not supposed to chew gum where I work, but I could use that for the graveyard shift I'm about to go on here shortly. But that is what I got. What would you guys think if you all of a sudden got like 4 boxes of the same thing in your mail? Would you be like, am I supposed to open it or party time, or I don't know what? So I'm hoping I'm allowed to like use all this because why did they send it to me?
I told her to message them because I don't know why. Like I said, well maybe every time she checked the status on it, they thought, well we'll send her another box because she didn't get it yet or something. But she only checked status on it like twice basically.
A couple times. But that was it for this one. Don't forget to like if you saw anything you liked, or if you learned anything new. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Also, to be part of our giveaway, you have to be subscribed. We haven't done it quite yet. We're hoping for maybe the month of June, like June 1st to do, but May 31st show what it's gonna include and stuff and start it that way. So thanks for joining us again and have yourselves a wonderful day.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.